In PlanetTogether, you can view key performance indicators. To add my key performance indicator to my tabs available on my front screen, I will click on Views, Key Performance Indicators. PlanetTogether has added a tab that I can now select and view. I can uncheck all or check all. I can also select specifically if there is a value I am looking for. By hovering over the points, I can see the changes based on the schedule as it exists. KPIs will follow changes on the schedule for the scenario as it is determined. It assumes that the schedule is followed 100%. If I want to create a what-if scenario, make changes, and compare my KPIs, I can do that as well. I will create a what-if scenario. For this example, I will call my what-if scenario daily setup hours. Now that I have my what-if scenario created, I'm going to change my optimization rules to consider setup hours. Under Settings, I'll go to Scenario Data, Optimize Rules, make sure I'm in my what-if scenario. Currently, it is optimizing by need by date with the highest priority. I can reduce that, reduce other ones that may be selected. Under Productivity, I will find my least setup hours. I'm going to increase the weighting here, and I can see in my grid above that now my least setup hours are weighted much higher than my need by date. After exiting my settings, I will want to re-optimize so that PlanetTogether can consider the changes that have been made. So now looking at my KPIs for least setup hours, I can see a difference between the two. I can toggle between my live scenario and my what if. I can also, under the current scenario button, using the drop down, compare by highlighting the two scenarios I want to compare. It will show me all of my KPIs. And here is my setup cost. And my setup hours. The key to my right tells me that my live scenario is green and my daily setup hours, what if, is blue. If I choose to change and make my what if a live scenario, I can do so, or I can delete it.